Hello everyone. I may as well do an introduction of myself and explain to you what I'm doing here in Japan. Well, like I said, my name is Marcello. I'm a mechanic here at Buy Now Japan. I work on a lot of my boss's drift toys, I guess you can call them. I'm from Sydney, Australia, 26, and yeah, I have decided to come to Japan on a working holiday visa to experience what Japan has to offer. I'm obsessed with drifting. I'm obviously obsessed with hachirokus. I've owned many hachirokus, and yeah, I thought why not come and live out my dream here in Japan and do exactly what I've always wanted to do. And I say this to many people as well, you guys can do it too. It's there's endless opportunities here to be able to come and work here and live here and go drifting. So if you really want to do it before it's too late. But yeah, this is an introduction to sort of a vloggy day in the life video of what I get up to here in Japan. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope it's not too boring. You can put it in the background, watch it, have a beer, I don't know, whatever you want to do. But yeah, I'm just testing the waters to see if you guys will like it and see what you guys would like. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Hang on, thank you. This is a JZX 100 Mark II. These are a Toyota, no, sorry, I can't. But yeah, no, this is my boss's JZX 100 Mark II. I just changed the seat. It had a really shit seat in it. I put a bride seat in it. Changed some silicone joiners for the cooler piping. Put Project New drums, drum shoes in it, pads. And now that can go off the hoist. It's got a little bit of gearbox leak, but I'm waiting on parts. It's a little O-ring for the speedo sensor. So, other than that, what else am I doing? I hope you can hear me clearly with this wind. I need to get a mic, but I'm purely using my iPhone. So, this is the 350Z that I'm working on. It is the most fun car to drive. It is so much fun. I wish it had a little bit more power, but yeah, it's had this Wisefab front end in for a while, and the rear geometry with the stock arms was really bad, and the tyre wear was really bad. When you lower these cars, the camber goes out of whack, and you can't adjust it obviously, and the toe goes out of whack. So we've put this Wisefab rear end in. Well, I put this Wisefab rear end in. Also doing a twin caliper setup. Part Shop Max did this caliper to suit the vented rotor. Big thick rotor, so that's really good, easy to put in, and obviously the Wisefab comes with the twin caliper bracket as well. Put these fuel rear coilover in, now that's got a rear coilover in it rather than the shock and the spring. And yeah, making up these brake lines, got the junction there, ran it through there. I'll show you the inside later, but it's kind of neat. It keeps the interior as well for the hydro, so that's really good. And yeah, but today this job is putting this PPS R154 gear set box in for the fourth time, I think. So kind of annoying. This gearbox has given me that many dramas. The center casing is cracked. The selector forks are bent. The input shaft, main bearing gave way. I pulled the gearbox apart 2 or 3 times, and like my theory is when you put a really strong gear set in with dog engagement synchros, makes all the other factory parts, factory R154 pumps a little bit weaker, but don't quote me on that, that's just my personal opinion. It was a very strong gear set. It's yeah, I don't know. We'll see how we go with it this time round. Hopefully it gives us no problems. I haven't had time, nor do I have the tools to be doing this constantly, so we've given it to Garadori Aoki-san across the road to work on. And yeah, it will be going in this 90. This is an XD1 Lights 90. Looking rough as guts. Roof's been caved in a few times. It's been on its roof a few times. It's got a T67 on it, I think. Care Formula so I keep forming the rear arms. These are so annoying to align in the rear. I know everyone spends a lot of time doing it and I hate doing it, but I've got to do it, so it's going to be fun. We've got the alignment machine in there, so yeah, hopefully this is a breeze. I've got to get some friends to help me put it on the hoist, but yeah. Alright, so that's what I've got to do today, or this week, next week. I'm going to get this off the hoist and get into it, but I thought I'd do a little day today. I hope you guys enjoy. Tonight I might go see my friend Mr. Mategi of Mategi Motors. He's behind many cool builds and many famous car builds, I guess. He builds a lot of cool motors. The SRVE and Daisuke Nakamura's 1-180. He done all the mechanical work in that car. There's other cars that I forget, but he's very funny, and I think he's working on our friend Andy's FD, and I'm going to give him a hand. So I thought I'd give you an insight to what he gets up to, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Don't get too bored, and watch me fail at many things. Hello, Wataru.
Hello, what's up?
What are you doing?
I need to buy new motor, so new engine.
Ah, okay.
That'd be
Oh, you need engine crane?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get the engine crane for you.
I need to take it too.
You can do it, Wataru. Which car?
So size forklift.
Oh, the forklift.
So Moto-san already checked carburetor.
But still not.
Yeah. Carburetor is fine, so
Something else?
yeah, I think so. Something.
It's an old forklift.
Yeah.
When are you buying a Hachiroku?
Pretty soon.
I hope so. You better buy a Hachiroku soon.
I'm such a Yahoo auction now, so.
Good.
But some Hachiroku is cheap, but too rusty.
Too rusty, yeah.
Rusty,
Yeah, but
no
Hokkaido
documentation.
car rusty. Many Hokkaido Hachiroku as well.
No,
Off for sale.
already had 5 4.
Buy Hachiroku.
Alright.
Alright, heater's on, 90's on the hoist, everything is eats. Now we're ready to put the box in. Hopefully no more dramas with this car. I am going to align this car. Hopefully the rear's not too bad, hopefully it's pretty, still alright. I hope so. Absolutely suck to align. But the front's pretty easy. So we've got an alignment machine here, which is really handy. I'll be aligning my A6 very soon as well. But yeah, I want to get this one done today. Maybe a bit more done on the 350. But yeah, enjoy. Okay, so I got everything set up. I forgot I took the clutch off to inspect it, thinking the clutch was the issue. But luckily, it's been push type converted. So I don't have to put all that effort in putting the pull type clutch in, because I hate doing that as well. So yeah, let's get this clutch in. clutch is in, twin plate, ORC. I did try and bodge up the clutch alignment, but I couldn't get it bang on, and with the twin plate you need to get it bang on, otherwise you're going to struggle getting the box in. So luckily I had the input shaft that had the faulty bearing in it to save me. But yeah, now we'll get this box in, tidy it all up, and this car should be good to go. Gearbox is all sorted. That was easy. 90s are so easy to work on. I can't say the same for 350Zs. They absolutely suck. I've done engine swaps, I've done clutch changes, and they've always been a pain in the ass. So it's good to have a job that's kind of breezy. You can kind of chill a bit, you know, take your time. You know, you're not going to get into any trouble sort of struggling to get things on. So yeah, we'll button up the tail shaft, put some oil in the box, shift her in, we'll test it, and then we'll get on to aligning it. Alright, now it's time to align it. Got a good old Andy helping me. Oh no.
That's not good. Yep, sure.
Hey, oh there. Oi, starting.
Matrix.
Recover it. What? It's talking to us. Hey, touch it. Go on then. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. What the fuck is going on with Japanese electricity? So you can't touch the alignment machine and the hoist. You took a couple of big shock. Well, you can. Alright.
I thought it crashed, but it just happened.
Oh, we got this side to put on too. The other side's pretty good. We just... Yeah, we'll get away with that. Yeah. It actually has. I haven't touched the camber. Not in the past. It's got a bit of camber. Time for
It looks straight on.
yeah, right. That's a big donkey handbag slide. Hungry hippo. Holy shit.
The toe's pretty good. That's what they usually run.
Toe is pretty.
It's probably just turned to the...
Yeah.
Caster's not good.
Caster's home.
Camber's not good.
Alright.
Maybe that's the same thing. Maybe if you pull that forward, that'll bring that down.
I think last time I did that and that did that. So I think I pulled the caster forward and that brought the camber out. Alright, got me work cut out. This is going to be fun. JDM car and my JDM job and my JDM friend. Everything JDM. What do you think of Andy's new turbo motor? It's no. It's rotary.
I know.
Yeah, it's G40 900. Same as your GR Yaris. Okay, so that's the alignment done. We got it pretty much bang on. It was very difficult actually, and I didn't film a lot of it because I wanted to concentrate. So now that's finished. I can pack up. Tires now, changing tires. I'm gonna give him space to change some tires, and yeah, it should be good. Go see Motegi after. So it's ritual every time I go to Motegi's. Get a 6-pack of beers and a pack of smokes. Konnichiwa, Motegi-san.
Hello.
Everyone meet Motegi.
YouTuber だ。Oh, thank you. ありがとう。
Yeah.
飲も
Huh?
う飲もう飲む drinking?
Hi.
You?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kanpai.
Chin chin.
Chin chin. This is Motegi-san, everyone.
Yeah.
He is a Hachiroku otaku fanatic.
No.
He's been driving Hachiroku since he had his license, and now he's working on Andy's FD.
やばいね。
Yabai?
いや、これで
おー
多分 maybe.
Taman?
Okay.
Okay. So Andy just got a new, I don't know if you can see Garrett G40 900, and Motegi's plumbing up the wastegates and everything else. So.
いいんだもんね、ウエストゲートで。
Ah, hi.
やばい。
Oh.
大丈夫だな。Too hot.
Too hot? Maybe? 多分
ウェルジン。ウェルジン。
ああ、難しい?
Maybe. But, ここら辺はアンディがコンストラクションするから。
Yeah.
多分、I don't know.
So Andy has gone with the now Wisefab front, which makes it very wide, and you can't really fit tire in the car. Nado. 8J. 8J. His car is so cool. Motegi is a very good mechanic.
No, drunk is
No. He knows a lot about the Western style technology, and he likes to use Link. No. This is good mechanics work like this. Very cool workshop. So I've come here today because Motegi is going to teach me a little bit of TIG welding.
Yeah.
Chotto.
Oh.
And he's offered me some guidance, which is really cool, and that'll be really fun. I haven't done a bit of TIG welding in the past, but I'm not very good, and he's a master. Master. Yeah. This is Andy's FD. We're getting it ready to, Motegi's getting it ready to compete in D1 divisional again this year. And he's going back to Australia, so we need to get this tuned ASAP. Because when he comes back in March, it is, it's a few days from when he comes back at Nico Circuit. So this is the new turbo setup. G40 900 Pulsar turbo. Motegi's made up all this cooler piping. Oh! Chotto muzukashi.
Yes.
Welding.
Yes.
If there's anyone that can do it, Motegi's the man. But yeah, very cool kit. Hopefully should make about 500, maybe more if he wants to turn it up. Could possibly make 600. Andy built this motor himself, all standard Mazda parts. He has a very strong opinion that standard Mazda parts are the best for rotaries, and he's persuaded me for sure that they are. With all the dramas that he's had with upgraded apex seals, he's gone back to stock, and he's never had an issue. And this car he absolutely beats on it and drives the crap out of it. So it's very cool.
Oh, better? Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. This. And
So. So I was able to do some sort of tax. And it's not bad for a first time, I guess. But I'll get there. Thank you, Motegi. This is Kojima-san, also known as G-Man. He drives Wasabi Green Hachiroku, and is the reason why I have Hachiroku, and is a major high, which means very fast Hachiroku driver. Major high.
Major high. For
High.
the boring.
Hi.
Boring?
Drilling.
Drilling. Tomato. I need to be.
Thank you very much, Motegi-san.
Yeah.
Good welding lesson.
Yeah. Good taste beer.
Yeah, good taste of beer.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Motegi.
Yeah.
Oscar-sama desu.
Bye.
Alright, so that's a wrap. That's sort of my day-to-day in Japan. 90's all buttoned up. 350Z's nearly sorted. I just got to bleed the hydro. And yeah, I've got an FDJ2 Mark II that I've also got to get ready for the season this year for my boss, who's going to be competing in 2 different cars. So yeah, I can't believe the response from you guys. It has been so easy. If you're still watching this video all the way through to the end, thank you even more, because I appreciate that so much. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll do my best to continue this sort of work. So thank you very much. Yeah, Yone G Club. Oh, thank you, G-Man. Arigato.